I have a bucket here filled with warm-ish water, so I'm going to add the dish soap. We'll just give it a few squirts-ish or so. I'm going to take my tools and I am going to plop them in this bucket, and I'm going to let them soak for about 30 minutes or so. So I've got my wire brush. Just going to go along and give it a good scrub. And now I'm just going to give them a good rinse, dry them off really well. And you want to make sure that you get them nice and dry because otherwise they're just going to rust again. Now is the time that we're going to oil them. So I'm just going to dip a little bit in the oil, and I'm going to start giving these a light rub with the oil. There's little tiny crevices in here that I'm just never going to be able to get into with just using a rag and oil. So because lubricating sprays have this tiny nozzle, they're going to do a much better job of getting in there.